Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. As you know that your exams are coming, so we will do revision. Chapter 4 Articles. A and N are called articles. These are indefinite articles. B use A before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. Example, I had a heavy breakfast. Here H is consonant and sound is also coming off consonant. So we put A there. That is a pretty ring. We also use A before words that begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound. Mummy bought a uniform at the shop. Here U is vowel, but the sound is coming off A. Here the sound of U is YU and Y is a consonant. N is used before words that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Example, an elephant at the sanctuary gave birth to a calf. Take an umbrella with you as it might rain. We also use N before words that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. Example, I will reach in an hour. Here H is silent, so the word R begins with the vowel sound A. Exercise. Take the correct words in the brackets. An igloo is a house made of ice. An igloo is a house made of ice. My uncle has an antique stone statue in his garden. Dilip is training to become an architect. Mr. Gopalan is not an unkind man, but he does have a quick temper. Fill in the blanks with A or N. May I have a sandwich and an orange for lunch? My aunt has a house on the beach. It is an hour away from the city. The farmer bought an ox. He already had a few goats. As part of an exchange program between our schools, an Australian girl is coming to stay at my house. Nazir is an intelligent child. He is also a kind child. I have finished revising a unit of maths and will do a practice test in a little while. Renuka bought a frying pan, an egg beater, and an air purifier at the appliance shop. There is no such animal as a unicorn, it is an imaginary creature. I read a book of poetry, it was written by a young African girl. The is also an article. It is a definite article. The is used when we talk about a particular noun. Examples, the earth. It is particular noun. The house on the corner. The boy I was talking. The book on the table is mine. The is also used when we talk about a kind or a class of nouns. Example, the French and the Italian teams are staying in this hotel. When we talk about a person, a place, an animal, or a thing for the first time, we use a or an. However, when we talk about it again, we use the. There is a pond in the park. The pond is full of fish. First time we are using a, again we are referring about the pond, then we are using the. My aunt lives in a cottage. The cottage has a lovely garden. The is also used before certain proper nouns such as rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books, newspapers, and so on. Example, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Indian Oceans, the Red Fort, the Ajanta and Ellora Caves, the Bible. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. I want to clean the bathroom. Where do you keep the cleaning things? Do you think there is life on any other planet in the universe? The principal said that the history teacher was absent. I saw a guitar in your room. Do you play the guitar? Have you brought a raincoat or an umbrella? If you go out in the rain without either, you will get soaked. My grandparents live in a small cottage on the banks of the Brahmaputra. Hema's bicycle was dirty. She took a bucket and a cloth from the kitchen to clean the bicycle. Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan. The movie has an interval. You can buy an ice cream during the interval. Please put all the trash inside the litter box. Add a, an, or the where needed and rewrite the sentence correctly. Science Club holds quiz on first Monday of every month. The Science Club holds a quiz on the first Monday of every month. Do you know all the words of the national anthem? Have you received an invitation card from the Dayals? My elder sister is the head girl of the school, who was the first person to climb Mount Everest. I have a pet dog called Motu. He is the best dog in the world. The doctor said that I needed an X-ray. I didn't finish book because I wasn't enjoying story. I didn't finish the book because I wasn't enjoying the story. Thank you.